Let's say you are an IT architect for a company. As usual, every year you go to all of your departments and ask, what is the amount of RAM, what is the amount of hard disk we need this year or the following year as an estimate. And you take all the estimates from different departments, and you come to know that whatever capacity was last year, the estimates have come the double the capacity. Now, you as an IT architect are looking for solutions. This is where cloud computing helps you. Let's say you are an IT architect and come and talk to me, Raghav, what are the best solutions? So I would suggest some 5 things which will help you make a decision if cloud computing is good or bad. And these 5 things, if you are a student or an engineer, it will also help you learn about cloud computing and know the importance of being in this subject, because this has tremendous growth in it. Point number 1, cost. So instead of putting all that cost at once, as the projects or as the requirements start coming up, you start taking servers. That is pay-as-you-go model. Whatever things we need, based on that we buy, and accordingly we pay. Because that helps us create our financial goals, meet our financial goals, and also meet the project goals, meet the organization goals. That brings us to the second point. When I say pay-as-you-go, buy as you need, point number 2 is scalability. So today I might have 1 terabyte of RAM, tomorrow I need 5 terabyte of RAM. And how do I do it? It's possible, probably in the fraction of minutes, of hours or days. Sometimes you can scale from 1 terabyte to 5 terabyte of RAM if your company needs so. One thing I also forgot is many of the companies keep a lot of data as backup. Having backups stored so much is an expensive cost. Cloud computing providers give backups a lesser, if you store backups in a specific models, let's say in AWS there is something called AWS Glacier. You put in your Glacier backup archives, the cost is really less. It's as less as 1 cent an hour or 1 cent an hour, I guess. I can look at that and put the cost estimates below. But cost and scalability go very hand in hand. Now the important aspect is availability. Today your company might be in India or Singapore. Tomorrow you want to expand in Africa, Europe, US, South America. Cloud computing providers have availabilities across the globe. They have availability zones. The advantage of these availability zones is you can move the code from one location to the other location also easily, such that something is happening in US can immediately, in the matter of minutes or hours, can happen in Mumbai, India. So New York to Mumbai, like the flight travels, the code also travels, or I won't say travel, but the code can be pushed and managed and made it available for all the users across everybody. That's point number 3, availability. With all this said, many people have these questions in their mind. How much is cloud computing secure? Is it even secure? It's actually secure. There are 2 kinds of things. One is called authentication, one is called authorization. So who is authenticated? So when you put your login, username and password on any website, who comes in? That is one policy. And after you come in, what objects you see, how much you see, what level, everything is under the window of security policies. Or let me put it this way. There is a concept called VPC, or virtual private cloud. Your company's organization, your company's data is inside that VPC. So everything is being inside that VPC. Virtual private cloud is actually secure. So you're cost efficient, scalable. You can increase your resources the way you want. It's available across the globe, and it's secure. Getting to our 5th point, maintenance. Imagine doing all those 4 things: maintaining a data center, maintaining the number of people, maintaining the budgets and financials of so many different things, and so many unknown things. Like let's say server maintenance. What is the downtime? How can you manage all these things? Maintenance is so easy. Some other cloud computing provider is doing all this for you. Your focus should be mostly on the business and getting the most out of it. So cloud computing providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure are doing it. If you want me to make any specific videos out of these three cloud computing providers, let it be AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, please do comment in the comment section below. I'll try to make those videos. But hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that like and subscribe button. That means a lot. Thanks a lot. Take care.